Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. We're still seeing a sideways market. This is what we call observe the obvious. When we identified that this market was moving sideways, and then the Dow opened up positive today, we didn't jump into anything because anytime you can see what a trend is doing or what the nature of the trend is, you want to see that it's been breached. We saw today the Dow came up, hit the 50, and started backing off, remaining in this sideways trend. The fact that they closed it down here told us we're not going anywhere. Same scenario on the NASDAQ. Came up right to this level that would be construed as a kind of resistance level and backed off. We're still in this sideways wedge. That was also illustrated by the biggies like Amazon that came up, hit this area, broke out through that area, but came back in. Told you there was not the bullish investor sentiment in this market just yet. So there's two ways to trade this market. One, obviously, this is a sideways market, the summer doldrums, not giving you very much opportunities. This might be the time to take vacation, both mentally from the markets and get refreshed for when the market starts moving again. Or if you still like to trade, we have what we call the top rank candlestick signals and patterns. There's about 15 of them. One of them is the kicker signal. As you can see on EQT, the market backed off today, but EQT was still in an uptrend ever since the kicker signal. This is your one of your most powerful reversal signals. So we use that information for our recommendation on CPNG today because Friday it did a kicker signal, and you can see the pattern setting up, a bullish J-hook pattern. So when you add this to your pattern setup, that just gives you that much more evidence that the bulls have taken control. So using the kicker signal as a kicker signal or a trend kicker signal. Opens here, closes here, gaps up. What was this doing? Telling us our fry pan bottom was confirming. And notice how they did the little kicker signal up above the T line, improving the probabilities that this fry pan bottom is going to continue to work. Anytime we can add things together to give us power trades, as we saw in Mara today. There's your best friend, doji sandwich, trend kicker, J-hook breakout through the 50. This implies the bulls have taken control. Even when the market was soggy today, these power signals are going to give you the benefit of identifying where the strength is coming into as far as particular sectors and stocks. On the other side, the bearish kicker signal gives you that much more emphasis on the bearish strength, giving you much better trade results, expecting for them to hit the next targets. So these bearish kicker signals provide a very high degree of probability. The kicker signal breaking out through this support level, through the T line, through the 50, implies there's more downside. And that would be the reason why we'd be recommending BL, because of a bearish trend kicker breaking this support level, implying there's a lot more downside. So join us this Saturday when we have sideways markets like this. The candlestick scanning techniques still allow investors to find the strongest trades. They may not be as many in a sideways market, but it doesn't take very long to find those most powerful trade, what we call the top rank signals and patterns. Join us. This is the type of information that in this full day training kind of fine tunes your ability to recognize what creates a strong price move, what signals and patterns. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.